Welcome to EduPlay Junction.
Hello, kids. Today we will learn phonics sound. So let's start. A is for apple. A apple. B is for bird. B b bird. C is for cat. K cat. D is for dolphin. D d dolphin. E is for earth. Eh earth. F is for frog. Frog. G is for giraffe. J, giraffe. H is for heart. H, heart. I is for ice cream. Ice cream. J is for juice. J, juice. K is for key. K, key. L is for leaf. L, leaf. M is for mouse. M, mouse. N is for notebook. No, notebook. O is for owl. O, owl. P is for pig. P, pig. Q is for queen. Queen. R is for ring. R, ring. S is for sun. Sun. T is for tree. Tree. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. V is for violin. Violin. W is for watermelon. Watermelon. X is for xylophone. Xylophone. Y is for yacht. Yacht. Z is for zebra. Zebra. Well done, kids. Now you know all the phonic sounds. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel.